Good boy today, Platinum. Now, let's get you a nice bag of carrots. Come on, boy. Oh, hi, Natalie. Are you taking Prince out today? Yep, sure am. All right, well, have fun. Thanks, Adam. Okay, boy, I have something new that we're gonna try today. Okay, boy, so today we're going to try some bareback riding, and we're just gonna see how this goes. Okay, boy, this seems pretty good so far, but why don't we try and, do some trot pulls? Okay, 2 should be enough. Let's try that. Come on. Whoa, easy there, boy. Easy there. Whoa. Okay, I just think we're not ready for that yet. But let's try it again. Come on, boy. We're trying it again. Come on. It's okay, boy. Good boy, Prince. Okay, let's step it up a notch. Come on, boy. Good boy. Good job, Prince. I think we can go one more step. There we go. Whoa, easy there, boy. Easy. Easy. Good. Okay, boy, let's go. Come on. Whoa. Whoa, easy there. Easy. Whoa. Oh. Prince. Knew I shouldn't have pushed you. It's okay, boy. We'll keep working. You just need more practice. And you need to know you can't bug me off all the time. Come on, boy. Let's get you back to your stable. Okay, come on, boy. Easy. Easy there. See you tomorrow, Prince. Hope everything's better tomorrow.